Shenzhen HD Focus Technology, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer of interactive board located in Shenzhen, China. With over 8 years production and developing, we have completed series of capacitive and IR touch interactive board with size from 49-inch to 100-inch for education and meeting. We also supply related parts such as OPS, Smart Touch Pen, wireless sharing solution, whiteboard software. We offer a total solution for the interactive board. Our RD keep on developing more models to meet the changing market. To ensure the quality, all the finished products are 100% subjected to at least 48 hours aging test and strict QC process before shipping. Our interactive boards are CE, ROHS, FCC, HDMI certified. HD Focus have delivered hundreds of projects and won high reputation in over 80 countries. We have distributors for around 10 countries such as USA, Singapore, Korea. We are available to provide engineers on-site service for over 15 countries. We also welcome the OEM and ODM cooperation to make your own brands better. With years of overseas marketing experience, we have sales experts to help resolve all the possible problems and engineers for online technical support. HD Focus trusts win-win cooperation should be the best way to make business go further. We are here looking forward to the long-term partnership with all friends in the world.